You see, for you to run a successful dropshipping business, you need access to hot selling products. Now, these are winning products that you can quickly set up on your website, then make quick profit from them. And as a matter of fact, you can easily scale up this product and make even bigger profit. But when it comes to finding this product, it's actually stressful because most people don't know how to research hot selling product that they can sell on their dropshipping website, which is what brings us to PiPiads. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick review on PiPiads. Now, this is a new platform that gives you access to hot selling products on TikTok. Now, usually when you want to promote any dropshipping product, now the platform you might want to look into are Facebook, Instagram, but nowadays ad costs on this platform are actually skyrocketing. So for you to make even bigger profit, or for you to make quick cash with your dropshipping business, and the platform you might want to look into is TikTok, because most dropshippers are running advert on TikTok, and the reason they are running advert on TikTok is because they are making a whole lot of profit. So the best thing to do is to look into what is doing well already. So there's no need to reinvent the wheel. Just look for a product that is performing well, then replicate this product, scale it up, and even make bigger profit for yourself. This is why we're going to be reviewing PiPiads, because all they are simply doing is giving us access to products that are doing well on TikTok. So in today's video, like I said, we're going to be going through their features, we're going to be going through their pricing, and see other stuff they bring to the table. So if it is something you'd like to know about, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, thanks for joining me once again. And what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be doing a quick overview of this platform. We're going to be checking their features, we're going to be checking their pricing, and we're going to see how this platform can help your overall e-commerce business. All right, so let's check out their features. So looking at the tabs here, so these are the features, or these are currently what you can use this platform to do. All right, so this is TikTok ad search. So you can search adverts on TikTok, that is adverts that are running on TikTok. You can use this feature to check out adverts that are running on TikTok. And if you want to do product search, you can use this picture, you can use these features to do product search, and this is winning products. So if you are looking for winning product, if your sole goal is to gain access to winning products, now this is going to be helpful for you. And this advertiser is going to give you access to top advertiser on TikTok, that is what they are promoting, and see how well the advert they are running is performing on TikTok. So this XT product is going to give you access to top XT product and XT store, and the collection is just a collection of all the features here, and the pricing is the different plans available on the platform. All right, so now let's check out the TikTok ad search. All right, so the first one, which is TikTok ad search, is going to give you access to ads that are running on TikTok. All right, so based on what you want, so you could just come over to category here. So if it's e-commerce ads you want to check, you can just click on e-commerce, and if it's game, if it's app, if it's dropship, and if it's branded adverts, you can just tick on any of this category. All right, so the basic here is going to give you access based on country. So if you want adverts that are running in US, if you want adverts that are running in Japan, if you want adverts that are running in Canada or United Kingdom, based on the country you want, you can just select that here, and the action button here is going to show you the button that these people are using. So the one that are using order now are basically e-commerce product, or shop now are basically e-commerce products. So you can just play around with the button based on what you want and use it to search advert on the platform. So the e-commerce platform is going to give you access to adverts, is going to give you access to merchants that are running adverts, probably to Shopify or WordPress or Shoplaza, based on what they have here. All right, so you can just use this to play around on the platform, and the ad type here is going to give you access to probably branded ads or non-branded ad. All right, so this is basically for TikTok ad search. So the product search section is going to give you access to different products that are being advertised on TikTok. All right, so you can use this section to search for any random products you want to add to your dropshipping website. So if you see any product you like, just click on the product. It's going to bring out the ad for the product. So looking at this product here, now the cost for this product is $99, and this is the video they are using to promote this product. So let's take a look at the video they are using to promote the product. All right, so if this is something you like, all you simply need to do is just click on download, and you'll be able to reuse this ad to promote the product if you like to promote the product for yourself. So the next picture here is winning product. So if you click on the winning product, it's also going to bring out winning product. Now these are products that are actually doing well. So all you want to do is you want to scroll through this product and look for the one you would like to add to your dropshipping website. So all of the products in this section are actually winning products. Now these are products that are doing well already. So take for example, now look at this product. You see that the impression for this product is over 100,000K, and the likes for the product is over 900. So if you see any product you like, all you simply need to do is just click on it, and it's going to bring out more details about the product. All right, so if you want to play the video, just play the video here.
Looking for a customized gift for your loved one? Take a look at this love custom puzzle. You can.
So if you like to download the hat, just click on download here to download the hat. So I did a video on how you can actually use PiPiads to search for hot-selling products. So I'm going to link the video somewhere around here, so you can just watch the video to see more on how to use PiPiads to search for a product. All right, so let's check out another features they have here. So another features they have is actually this Shopify tool. Now this Shopify tool is going to allow you to be able to spy on Shopify seller, that is, check out the top performing product on their Shopify store. So it's a Chrome extension. All you simply need to do is just add it to your Chrome. So using the Chrome extension, when you visit any Shopify store, you'll be able to gain access to their top selling product on that Shopify website. All right, so the next thing we want to do now is take a look at the pricing here. All right, so the PiPiads VIP plan is going to cost you $155 per month, and the Pro plan is actually going to cost you $263. All right, but there's a coupon you can actually use that is going to save you 20% on the sale. All right, I'm going to add a coupon at the description of the video, and I'm also going to add a link to the PiPiads website at the description of the video. So once you are done with the video, you can just go to the description of the video and get a coupon code and use it to get 20% discount on your purchase on the website. So looking at the VIP plan here, I think the view ads detail per day is 200. That is, you can only view 200 ads per day, and the search ads per query is 1000. So search advertiser per query is 1000, then view advertiser details per day is 200. Product search is 200. Then it comes with winning product, advanced filter, block history, and advertiser is not with this doesn't come with the VIP plan. So the block history and advertiser comes with the Pro plan, and computer, that is, you can use this account on one computer. If you want to be using it on 5 different computers, you can use the Pro plan, and the collection comes, and the collect comes with the VIP plan, and you can easily cancel them anytime you want. All right, so this is just basically what it's going to cost you to use the PiPiads. And looking at the features, I feel the platform is actually okay, because it gives you access to what is doing well already. All right, so if this is something you would like to do, it also comes with a free trial. Just go through the free trial and use the platform. Just go through with the trial and use this trial to get accustomed with the platform. All right, so if you like to jump on the platform, like I said earlier, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, use the link there to get familiarized with the platform. If this is something you like to do, if this is something you like to use eventually, you can keep using it, and if you don't like it, you can just cancel at any time. All right, so this is basically everything about PiPiads and what they bring to the table. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.